Get back here! Get away from me! Wait! There's a... I got him! No, dude. And the winner is Blaze! Yay! And the loser is... I don't know what it is. Get back here, get away from me. Get back here! Stop! No! Oh, he said no. Wait a second! I know what you're trying to do, Squidward. And you guys, and not let you know that pizza! Give it a pizza! No! Don't make me take away from you, SpongeBob! Get away! Stop! You violated the law! Give me that pizza! No! Get away from me! SpongeBob! No! Stop! No! I got the pizza! Ah! Oh, he said no! I'm not winning yet. And one of the pizza is dead. Wait a second. I know what you're trying to do, villagers. I'm not letting you that pizza. Give it a pizza. No. Don't make me take away from you, SpongeBob. Get away. Get back here, SpongeBob. Give it a pizza. No, get away from me. Stop! No! Oh, he said no. I don't see the... Oops! Sorry about that. No, 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 no. This is a very effective. Wait a second. I know what you're trying to do, you guys. I'm not letting you know that pizza. Give it a pizza. No. Don't make me take away from you, SpongeBob. Get away. Stop. Violate the law. Stop right there, SpongeBob. Get it. Give me back the pizza. No. Get away from me. Stop. No. Get back here, SpongeBob. Give me that pizza. This is a very effective. Wait a second. I know what you're trying to do, you guys. I'm not letting you that pizza. Give it a pizza. Get away. Give it a... Get back here. Get away from me. Get back here, villagers! This is a very effective. Wait a second! I know what you're trying to do, you guys. I'm not letting you know that pizza. Give it a pizza. No! Don't make me take away from you, SpongeBob. Get away! Get back here! Get away from me! I got the pizza! You gotta be kidding me right now! Gotta be kidding me! I can't believe I lost! Get back here! Get away from me! Wait. I got the pizza! Are you kidding me? I have to lose the pizzas. Now I'm dead. Ah! Get back here, get away from me. Dude, I got the pizza. No! This is a very effective. Get back here right now. Dream. Ah. Dream. That is. Get to the altar. Go. Oh, wait. I got the pieces. Get. Ah. Go. I got the bed. Get back here. Get away from me. Dude, I got the pizza. Eight, about wagon. This is a very effective. Okay. Go. Wait. I topped the bed. Go. Oh, it's gonna win me. I need to think of something. Oh, no. Don't worry, I'm coming. Too late, I'm died. I'm alive. Go. Wait. I topped the bed. Oh, dream. to find a way. Get to the over! Go, 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 go! Wait. Oh, Dream! Come out, wherever you are! Get to the over! Well, that's it for this edition of Villager number 4. See you next time! Well, that's it for this edition of Villager number 4. See you next time! Oh my god! This is a very effective.